Yo, what's going on? Big Migs Investing here. Today we're going to discuss Workhorse's new refrigerated trucks. So this exciting new interview that we've just seen on the internet where Jack Spencer Investing, my boy, Jack managed to actually interview the CFO of Workhorse. And while the guy didn't want to give away too many ideas and he was very careful about what he said about the USPS contract and all of that, he managed to give a little hint that they're actually working on projects at the moment. And one of the projects they're working on is having refrigerated workhorse vehicles. And that's really interesting. They can actually, sell their vehicles to all these food suppliers. So they can have food trucks, last mile delivery of food trucks going in and out around town and delivering like fresh foods and also raw meats maybe.
Or beer delivery, think about it.
Another idea that came up while I was looking in Jack's comments was somebody said that they may do organs as well. So imagine we're doing like organ transplants and all of these deliveries around town. Imagine we can just, use our refrigerated vehicle to go and deliver organs to hospitals. It'll be really fast and efficient. It will keep the organs cool. It will save time, save money, and save the organs from dying. And somebody actually commented here,
human body parts flying through the air, just what we need. It's raining man. Imagine the drone falls and the brain comes and splatters all over you at a wedding or something. Now order liver and tacos. They always get my shit mixed up.
Mad thing. But yeah, the refrigeration opens up Workhorse to become, one of the suppliers for vans for the food delivery service. So not only are they targeting the postal service and package, last mile delivery of that, they can also start to target small and medium businesses and the people who supply them. So if people are supplying these small and medium businesses and they're trying to keep stuff cool in the back of the truck, in many different countries across the world, if you're transporting food, you need it cool, you need it refrigerated. So this is a really exciting prospect. So yeah, that being said, what's really interesting is although they've already looked at this USPS contract, they're always innovating and growing. So if we look at ARC's innovation portfolio, ARQ, we're looking at all these top companies which ARC thinks are going to be innovative and they're going to run the future. So ARC focuses on innovation in order to grow. They focus on these kind of growth stocks, if you will. So what's really interesting is they didn't pick Neo, they didn't pick any of these other kind of electric vehicles, they picked Workhorse. Workhorse has visions for the future, they're always innovating, they're always growing, and this will be like the perfect stock that I think for growth and innovation. Make sure you do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you tune in next time. Please drop us a like, please drop us a comment, and tell me if you can think of any other regions in which, Workhorse can exploit, any other markets they can go into. Because it's really interesting seeing that these companies, they start to act like Amazon almost. They look at being a jack of all trades. They've been specializing in last mile delivery, but just this little thing like refrigeration can flip it on its head and they can actually, start to work with all these supermarket suppliers and small and medium-sized businesses too. Hit the like, please hit some comments, and please subscribe. Big Migs over and out.